Welcome to qnawire.
Given the functions f of x equals the square root of x, g of x equals the square root of x plus 1, and h of x equals the square root of x minus 2 plus 1, we're going to graph these and see how they differ from each other. So this f of x equals the square root of x is actually our parent function, and it starts at 0, 0 because the square root of 0 is 0. And then we can take a look at some other things that we know the square root of to plot some points and figure out where what's happening here. The square root of 4 is 2, and the square root of 9 is 3. So I get a graph that looks like this. My second example, g of x, this plus 1 in the middle, that's our h value. The original equation says x minus h. So for it to turn positive, it has to be a negative number. So everything is shifting to the left by 1 unit. So I'm going to go here and shift it over 1 to the left, here 1 to the left, and here 1 to the left. And we get this graph that looks like this. And then our final example here, we have g of x, or h of x equals the square root of x minus 2 plus 1. So since the equation has a minus sign in it, this is a positive 2. It's moving 2 units to the right and 1 unit up. And this is moving from the parent function. We always go back to our original function. So I'm going to move 2 units and up 1, over 1, 2, up 1, over 1, 2, up 1, right here. It's going to be a little bit off the graph, but that's okay. And it goes like that. We can see these look like they overlap a lot, making it a little bit more challenging to read, but that's all right. Let's take a look and see how we did. We're going to compare these graphs using a graphing tool. And we get this right here. In red, we have f of x equals the square root of x. Right there, 0, 0. In blue, we have the g of x equals the square root of x plus 1. Everything moved to the left 1 spot. And then for the last one, we have h of x equals the square root of x minus 2 plus 1. That's our green one. Everything moved to the right 2 units and up 1.